Hi, welcome to Carter and Haynes. This is our Land Rover Defender 110 75th anniversary. This is a special car built by Land Rover to commemorate 75 years of the Defender, and as such the car has, well, basically nearly every option on it. Nice low miles, very well looked after, still in warranty with Land Rover as well, for peace of mind. It's has got full Land Rover service history, as you'd expect, and is in very nice condition for the age and mileage. There's the old 75 years badge there. It's the rear of it, plenty of room, parcel shelf, etc. It's just been washed, so still drying a bit there. The rear of the car doesn't even look like it's been sat in. Auto climate there. Panoramic sunroof. The sun blind. Leather seats. Meridian sound. Memory seats. Lovely inside, as you'd expect. 29,746 miles on the clock. As always, we do offer finance, we take part exchanges. Go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking. As always, the spec of the car will be on the advert. I've just noticed the head-up display, which made me think of that. Cheers again.